Hello guys, in this video let us check out the ProtoArc Ergonomic Sculpted Design EM01 mouse. So you can see this ergonomic mouse with a trackball on the side, and you can see it's written it's a 20-degree custom trackball angle from 0 to 20 degrees. Some of the features here are given such as mobile device mouse, 4 dynamic backlit RGB modes, easy to clean and detachable trackball. And here some of the features are given that how this trackball basically works. The left button, DPI button, all the buttons are clearly mentioned here, and you can see it shows some basic parameters. It also gives you the support email ID just in case you want some support with this product. Opening up the box, this is what we get inside: the user manual, the charging cable, a USB dongle, and the mouse itself, and it looks pretty cool and unique. So this is a USB Type-C charging cable that they've given, which is pretty nice. They've separately given the USB dongle for the mouse. So if you open up the user manual, it states how to use this mouse exactly and shows the light mode and different modes that this mouse have. Now taking a look at the mouse itself, you can see it's pretty cool. We have a nice trackball here. We have the brightness adjustment buttons, the normal buttons here, and the other buttons that we have. We're adjusting the DPI, and this is for your basic track ball, and this for basic scrolling, which is pretty tactile and looks nice. The side we have a nice angle to it, which I can tilt it. So basically you can see I can use like this, I can use like this, I can have a side angle like this, or I can have a main angle like this. So it's pretty convenient that you have both the angles here for using the mouse. So you can have both angles for using the mouse. That's a really good thing to do. So if you look at the button here, we have the on off button. You can see it's pretty easy, and here you just click on and off and this will get on. So I've turned on the mouse now, and you can see this looks quite nice. We have RGB lighting. This looks super cool. So this is really looking nice. And here you have also light on the scrolling button, and here also this shows that it is ready to pair on the first device. So here also you can pair 3 devices. So like this, you press and you can pair 3 devices here like this, which is quite cool feature. So guys, that was a quick video of the ProtoArc mouse with trackball. So if you're interested in purchasing ergonomic sculpted design EM01 mouse from ProtoArc, I'll leave a direct link in the description from where you can buy it. So thanks a lot for watching guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.